Alexa, open Voice Study Guides.
Welcome to Voicestudyguides. Here you can practice for various certification and academic examinations in various subjects. We provide 3 types of study methods: flashcards, practice questions, and sample tests. Flashcards help you study the terms and definitions. Practice questions gauge the depth of your knowledge. Sample tests simulate an exam experience and help you assess your readiness for a real exam. To access a study guide, say its 4-digit code now. If you want to create a study guide of your own and would like to learn about it, try our Getting Started study guide by saying the code 1234.
1234.
The guide we found is Voicestudyguide's Introduction by Mike Giddens. This Getting Started guide gives a walkthrough of the features and benefits of creating study guides using the Voicestudyguides application. What would you like to work on? Flashcards, practice questions, or sample tests?
Flashcards.
In this guide, there are 23 flashcards we can review. You can say repeat if you wish to listen to a flashcard again, or say next after the ding sound to proceed to the next term. Ready to get started?
Yes.
Education use cases. Voicestudyguide's application helps parents, educators, as well as aspirants, to create study guides for students, peer groups, or self, to pass certification exams or academic tests.
Next.
Private access. Authors can enable private access to their study guide and decide who needs to make use of their content. Only select users who know the passcode unique to the study guide can access it.
Next.
Free tier. Voicestudyguide's application allows customers to sign up and create study guides free of charge. That completes this set. There are 18 flashcards still available. If you wish to review more flashcards, just say more. Else, you can switch over to practice questions or sample tests.
Switch to practice questions.
There are 20 practice questions in this guide. If you know the answer, just say your choice of A, B, C, or D. Missed questions will be given once again at the end of the round for you to attempt. To stop and switch to a different study method, just say, switch to flashcards or sample tests. Are you ready to get started?
Yes.
How does the Voicestudyguides application help businesses? A. To assess revenue. B. To help employees prep for certification tests.
B.
Yes, that's correct. What are the 2 types of access provided for study guides? A. Internal and external access. B. Private and public access.
A.
That is not correct. The correct answer is private and public access. In this round, we will try again on the one question you were not able to get correct. If you wish to quit this round and want to go over the questions again, just say start over. Ready to begin?
Yeah.
What are the 2 types of access provided for study guides? A. Internal and external access. B. Private and public access.
B.
That is correct. There ends this practice question session. To go over the questions again, just say, start over. You can also say, start a test exam, or practice more flashcards to keep studying. What would you like to do?
Start a test exam.
There are 20 questions in this test exam. Say the answer, A, B, C, or D, if you know it, or say skip to pass the question. Your scores will be shared at the end of the test. The passing score for this test is 60%. Are you ready to start?
Yes.
What do you need to access any study guide on an Alexa device? A. Study guide code. B. Sign up credentials.
A.
What are the 3 sections of a voice study guide content? A. Flashcards, practice questions, and sample tests. B. Flashcards, statistics, and survey.
B.
The test is now complete. Your results are as follows. You scored 80% on this practice test. Now you can take another test exam, study more flashcards, answer practice questions, or change subject. What would you like to do?